Beyond the great and mysterious blue sea lies an unknown phenomenon yet to be uncovered. With reports of having an unpredictable path and immeasurable waves that have been given a few nicknames such as killer, monster, or freak waves, but most commonly known as rogue waves. Today, I'm going to tell you about the origin and several known causes on how a rogue wave is formed and the destructive power it can possess. Queen Mary, a passenger ship involving the destructive force of a rogue wave in December 1942. During its destination from the United States to Europe, the ship was impacted onto its side by an unknown force, which caused it to tilt 52 degrees with 16,000 soldiers on board. After the incident, engineers reported that the ship would have capsized and killing everyone on board if it was tilted another 3 degrees or more. However, despite the damage, they could not find a cause to the massive wreckage on the ship. Another mysterious event was on December 12, 1978, when a ship was set sail to travel across the Atlantic Ocean. The ship name was Munich, and it was equipped with the best technology at its time. It was said that the ship could not be harmed by any storm or even a hurricane. However, the ship disappeared without a trace during its voyage, and the only possible clue was that the ship was hit by a tremendous force that knocked the raft out of place and possibly sinking the ship. Throughout history, rogue wave was once considered mythical due to the lack of evidence for their existence. However, the myth was busted when a rogue wave appeared at the Debner platform located in the North Sea on July 1st, 1995. A special laser-based wave height detector was installed at the time on the rig, and the detector was able to scan the incoming wave, measuring about 20 meters high. The rig engineer was shocked by the recorded data for the wave, and the wave existence was confirmed. Natural event can contribute to the wake of rogue waves, such as an undersea earthquake, caving glaciers, or a landslide. The disturbance in the balance of water caused by the transfer of energy can produce tremendous ocean waves. Wind energy plays an important role when dealing with waveforms that are organized and traveling in one direction. Wave trains, a series of waves that travels in regular pattern and organizing themselves by wavelengths. However, when a storm produces strong wind, they tend to produce faster waves and longer wavelengths, which increases the chance of a rogue wave. Scientists predicted that there will be an increase of frequent storms with higher wind speed due to the Earth's climate changes. The planet is in a warming state, which provides more energy in both the atmosphere and the ocean. This may result in larger waves and perhaps even larger and more frequent rogue waves due to the increased energy. The extreme waves are usually formed due to the swell traveling across the ocean at different rate and speed. This caused them to pass through one another and reinforcing each other through the use of their crests, troughs, and even lengths. This process can usually create massive walls of waves that quickly disappear. However, if the swell managed to travel in the same direction, these enormous waves may last for a few minutes longer. Another source is when a storm develops a wave that travels in the opposite direction of a normal wave path. The interaction causes a shortening of the wave frequency, which joins them together and forming massive rogue waves that tend to have a longer lifespan. Schrödinger equation, a popular method used to explain the rogue wave using ideas from quantum mechanics. According to the equation, an unstable ocean wave may suck or absorb energy from other nearby waves, which allow it to expand into a near vertical monstrous form before becoming too unstable and collapsing. The discovery of roadways has been intriguing for me, and I hope it has done the same for you. The ocean is like another world and waiting to be discovered, and like any new world, there are bound to be unexplored phenomena. Roadways are just the beginning, and we have yet to only scratch the surface of what is truly out there in the deep blue sea. We can only come to imagine what lies beyond this mysterious ocean as we dive deeper into the abyss. Thank you.